Hey, you got a fire!
What do I do?
I don't know. Nothing.
Call the fire department. Oh, fuck, man.
Here. You talk, I gotta move my pipe.
Okay, thank you.
There's nothing we can do. I'm sorry.
Yeah, my bike's done. It's gone. Yeah, I don't know. It wasn't. Oh, well, yeah, it's on fire. He's done. Nope. And it just stopped and then 8 seconds.
Yeah, we're good, thank you.
Thank you. It just stopped at that light right
Yeah.
there and it's been on fire.
Yeah.